Good morning. Happy week after spring break. I know that you are all probably somewhat stressed about how things are going and what's going to happen. My plan is to let this week be a planning week, kind of an off week, if you will, so we can figure out where we're at, how to get things going, and what's next. I'd like to know if you all have internet access at home. You can send me an email, however it works the best. I'd like to still try to keep things as normal as possible. I don't want you to have to do all the 14,000 online assignments. I'd rather you do something that's meaningful. And I'd like to interact with you because I'm going to miss you. But this is the new normal for me because I don't have to have makeup on. Yay! Anyway, take care of yourselves. Stay in. And I will send you an email later on today or this week to kind of get a feel for what you have done and what you have access to at home. Let me know if you've got questions. Call me if you need to. I think you've got my cell number. Or you just send me an email. Whatever works.